In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert an email link in Google Docs. If you want someone to click a piece of text in your document and instantly open a new email message, Google Docs makes that very simple. This is especially useful for contact sections, team documents, proposals, or any file where you want readers to reach out quickly without copying and pasting an email address. To get started, open your Google Docs document. Make sure you're in the document where you want the email link to appear. You can place this link anywhere it makes sense, such as under a contact label, inside a sentence, or on a line by itself. Before adding the link, it helps to know exactly where you want readers to click. Once your document is open, go to the top menu and click Insert, then choose Link. This opens the link tool where you can create different kinds of links inside your document. In this case, you'll be creating a link that points to an email address instead of a regular web page. In the link search bar, type the email address you want to use. Be careful to enter it correctly, because this is what determines where the email will be sent when someone clicks the link. If there's a typo, the message may not go to the right recipient. Take an extra second here to double check the spelling before moving on. After entering the email address, click Apply. Once you do that, Google Docs will add the link to your selected text or entry. This means the email link is now active in your document and ready to be used. The next step is to test the link so you know it works properly. Click the linked text and then select the link that appears. Your default email application should open automatically with a new email already addressed to the recipient you entered. This is a good final check to confirm everything is set up correctly. If your email app doesn't open, your device may need a default mail application configured first, but the link itself can still be inserted in the document. And that's it. You've successfully added an email link in Google Docs. It's a small feature, but it can make your documents more professional, more interactive, and much easier for readers to use. Thanks for watching.